In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add overlay to pictures or videos in Canva. Let's begin. So once you open up Canva, go to the search bar in the middle, and then simply type in video. Then select search for video. Then select the first option where it says create a blank video, which is going to be in landscape. So we are going to look for a winter background. So I searched up winter within the element section, and I'm going to use this image. Simply drag it into the canvas, then make some adjustments. Afterwards, in the search bar within the element section, we are going to type in snow. And we are going to use that snow video for our overlay. So let's go to videos. Okay, so this one looks pretty good. Simply drag it and drop it into the canvas as well. Make sure that it fits the entire canvas and covering the picture in the background. Afterwards, simply head over to the top right where the three horizontal dots are, where it says see more. Then select the transparency option. From here, it's going to be 100. Simply drag it to the left side. Then change it to your liking. And once you're happy with everything, simply play the video. So that looks really good. And if you want to make it lighter, we go back, transparency, then make it a little bit brighter, and then play the video. So it actually looks like it's snowing. Okay, so this was for adding an overlay to an image, but now we're going to see how we can add an overlay to a video. So now we're going to go back to the search bar within the element section once more, and I'm going to type in car driving winter. Okay, so I'm going to use this video over here, simply drag it into the canvas. Afterwards, we're going to use that same snow video that we used to put the overlay for the image. Here it is, simply drag it into the canvas over the video, make some adjustments, and make sure that it fits the entire canvas. Then go to the top right, select the three horizontal dots, and then go to transparency, and then reduce it by dragging it to the left side. Then once you're happy with everything, you can simply play the video. Look at that, the snow. Now, if you want to make it stronger, you can go back and then do the same thing and then just increase the intensity. And let's see how it looks. And there you go. That is how you can add an overlay to your image or video on Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.